Welcome back. I'm Larry, so let's go ahead and jump into it. So today we're sitting in my 1977 Ford truck and I want to be working on the sun visor. The sun visor is kind of sagging down. Like if I like in the summer, if I don't use it, it'll stick to itself. The vinyl will stick to the rod and it won't sag. But if I use it, if I pull it down one time to use it and I go to put it back up, as I'm driving down the road, or if it's sitting here idling, it'll slowly kind of creep down and be kind of like that. I'm always having to constantly push it back up. And it's kind of annoying, so we're gonna fix that today. Okay, so we gotta remove the visor. For that, we have 3 screws here in the corner, and then we just unsnap it from the center support here. Just like that. Okay, so what happens a lot of time is there's like this piece of metal in here that's kind of like this, and it's crimped in around the shaft here to create tension to hold this up in place, and it'll get kind of loose sometimes. And honestly, I don't even know if these are original. They might be. I know these are, but these almost look too new, but they could be original. But sometimes they'll get loose in there and it'll cause this to sag, so we're going to tighten that up. So to do that, I'm going to take me a rag and I'm going to put it around the visor, because we're going to put it in the vise here and crimp this edge to make it a tighter fit. But I don't want to get marks in my visor, so we're going to use this as a cushion. Go right about there. Put a little bit of tension on it and back off. We're going to do that all the way down it, working our way down till the end, to the end. Which really you don't even have to, thinking about it, because this doesn't ever turn in here. That just sits in there, and that band should be all the way across here, but this shaft is only about that long or so, and then this one here is about the same, only about that long or so. So really, that alone might have been enough, just that one spot. I'm going to go ahead and do it again right here. Like that. That fits a little bit tighter now. That should keep that from sagging. Yeah, I think I messed up. I went a little bit too hard right there. That's why you don't want to go too hard. You see where I got like a little indentation in it now? Not a big deal, because this is going to be on the top anyway. It's going to be folded up, so you'll never see it unless it's pulled down. But this side's still good. So you got to be careful on that. Little tiny blemishes there, but like I say, you'll never see it, so that's not a big deal. But now that fits a little tighter, and hopefully we'll hold it up so it doesn't sag anymore. Now we can just put it back same way you removed it. There we go. Hopefully that'll keep it from falling down on me now, like it was doing. I feel like it's got a little bit more tension on it now, so hopefully that'll hold it. Alrighty guys, well that's all there is for this one. A real quick, simple tech tip DIY how to fix your sun visor, and good to go. So I say real quick and easy, all of 5 minutes, removing it, fixing it, and putting it back in, and you're good to go. So this works for any of the old 60s and 70s Fords. They're all the same cars, trucks, it doesn't matter, it's all the same thing. So it'll work for any of them if you have a sagging sun visor in your car or truck. So that's all there is for this one. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave me in the drop box down below. So yeah, that's all there is for this one. So until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.